I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to clean your Philips Sonicare toothbrush. So the great thing with newer Sonicare models is that they are generally waterproof, which means it's a lot easier to clean them. But you want to clean on different frequencies. So every day after you finish brushing, clean the brush head under warm water, and then just sort of rinse off or clean off the handle with a wet towel. And I find a baby wipe actually works well for that. So just cleaning that off, and you're good to go for the day. Now, about once a week, you want to do a little bit more of a deep cleaning on it. So the first thing you want to do is pop that brush head off. Now we're going to want to get some really hot water going and then clean the bottom of the brush head. And that's because the gap between the bottom of the brush head and the top of the toothbrush is an area that often accumulates gunk and dirt over time. So you want to clean that off really well under nice and hot water. Obviously, don't scald yourself, but clean it under some hot water to get all that gunk off. Next, we're going to do the same thing with the top of the toothbrush where the brush head would meet. So again, hot water, get it under there. You can again scrub it a little bit. Baby wipe works well there. So I like to put one on, just really, kind of get in there and clean that off. And again, because this is sealed, it's okay to do this underwater like that. And you can see after I clean it, it is nice and clean there, even though I've had this Sonicare toothbrush for almost a year now. Now take a look down the handle. If it's got anything on here that you want to clean off, again, a baby wipe, or you can even put this briefly underwater. I wouldn't submerge it all the way, but just do that and then dry it off. Now the final piece I would clean is this bottom piece here where it matches with the charger. You can see this one's already pretty good, but the charger itself can actually accumulate a little bit of dust and gunk and things if the toothbrush especially is not sitting on top of it. So just clean that off, and then we're going to pop this back on. Pop the brush head back on. Make sure to replace these when the indicator tells you to. And we've got a nice clean Sonicare toothbrush. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.